I already met.
You already met? This is Bilawal. Introduce yourself, darling.
I couldn't sleep today because this was pulling my ears and all.
Really? He was hurting your ears? This brother of yours?
Who was? Who's touching me doing that and that?
Izzy! She was waking you up.
No, not in the car. Not in the car. And better. And when you woke.
She talks a lot.
Rizal says talkative.
What?
Rizal says talkative.
Who says?
Her results
Oh.
said talkative in school.
Is that right?
I know her. Oh, just one day.
Who missed one day already?
I let them
What do you
miss one
say?
day.
Let
One
them
day.
miss one
Let them
day?
miss.
You want them to miss one day?
One day.
And if they fail in the exam?
Say, you won't fail in your exam.
No.
Okay. Okay. Okay, because Auntie Simi says so.
So what are you going to do the day you miss school?
Play with our dog.
You got a doggy? What is her name?
His.
His. Why? What
Sandy.
Sandy.
All dogs mix together.
No, darling, it's a Pekingese.
No, it's all dogs.
Who told you it's all dogs?
It's not fully Pekingese.
Who told you, darling?
It's on the magazine. What is Sandy?
Three dogs mixed together.
He's three dogs mixed together?
Can I bring him?
He's not mixed with a cat at all.
No way.
Today, Auntie got the cats?
Our cat, now the mother cat had two more babies.
Dear.
They're not fighting, they were
Boys or
playing.
girls?
Both girls. Yeah, because every time we try to shout, they run
Oh,
away.
dear.
No, we already saw them for so many days. Now they're scared.
Okay?
We can make fun, okay?
Okay, come on, come on.